G'day, my name's Chris Clegg. I'm the ranger out here at Carrara Rangeland Park, living at Thunderlara. I've been out here around 4 years. So where we are now is Warriedar Homestead, and this is where Track Care do some of their best work for us. It's quite amazing what they do. Warriedar is one of the homesteads, one of the stations of the 6 stations that make up Carrara Rangeland Park. So Warriedar Homestead is one of the campsites we offer here at Carrara Rangeland Park with the Department of Parks and Wildlife. The homestead itself has the upkeep of that. It has been done by Track Care, and the job they've done has been absolutely incredible. And it's not only admired but appreciated by guests and visitors all year round. The view from the campsite is you've got the Warriedar Hill in the background, you've got Pinelling out the other end, and just you get your wildflowers in the wildflower season. But the homestead itself gives the visitors that appreciation to be able to walk through the homestead and see what life would have been like, and give them that imagination of what life would have been like for the last 50, 60, 70 years of this Warriedar homestead in existence. And that is all thanks to Track Care and the hard work that they've done and the team have done. It's really good to see Track Care working as well. They work in a really quite a tight unit. It's really, it's a really good opportunity that they give people to get out to the outback and actually help out in the local community area here as well.